Hello. This is the SAMSON Elbow Support with strap, a clinically designed support for stable compression. Available in multiple sizes. Size chart displayed on screen. Remove the elbow support gently from its packaging. Ensuring the strap is fully open and the fabric is smooth for proper positioning. Slide your hand through the sleeve, aligning the wider opening toward the upper arm. Adjust the strap across the forearm, securing it firmly using the Velcro, and ensure balanced compression without restricting circulation or movement. Position the central knit zone directly over the elbow joint. To remove the product, release the Velcro strap, slide the support off the arm gently, and avoid overstretching the fabric during removal. The SAMSON Elbow Support with strap is suggested for use in the following cases. Please consult a medical professional for proper guidance. SAMSON, trusted by professionals, designed for you.